Do you have any organization tips to share?
You know, I don't know I'm the best person to ask that because I'm not always the most organized. Baskets are definitely your friend. In my son's room for sure, I throw all of his toys into a basket. It makes it super easy to clean up. And shelves, so that you can, you know, not have your space feel cluttered, but you can still display all of your treasures.
Making sure that there is not an empty drawer. I think a lot of people don't utilize every inch of every drawer, and I absolutely do. Most of my closets, I've hung racks higher just to, you know, utilize the space above your closet, because I think that is usually untapped. I think it's like max it out completely. Very important.
Purge. Purge when you can. I feel like we always accumulate so many materials that when we can just get rid of some, we always like to donate materials so we can donate. It just makes finding things easier.
And my favorite tip is to use your crafting tools as part of your decor. You know, sometimes they look so cute and they're now, you know, making things like with special handles that look really special, and add it to your decor.
Staying organized in small space means, especially with kitchen stuff, means you have one thing that could do a lot of things. So instead of having like a 6-piece saucepan set, you could find a pan that does the work of 6 different types of cookware. It's really about knowing how to maneuver around your space easily and making sure you don't have so much mess that you're kind of encumbered by a bunch of stuff.
We utilize a lot of hidden spaces, trunks that actually open so we can store blankets, pillows.
Everything has a dual function, essentially.
Yeah, lots of dual functioning.
And if they don't, we sort of make them have that.
Since this is such a small space, we have to get savvy with our storage. The apothecary drawers and the hallway, I kind of just have a lot of odds and ends that are hard to store. So that whole shelving unit is made of pieced together drawers from Facebook Marketplace, the side of the road, just all kinds of things that we all painted as one. And yeah, we store things in there.
I love organization, and so I follow like a TikTok accounts, like Instagram accounts, pictures accounts that have organization. So I spend time pouring the rice into the rice bin and the sugar into the sugar bin. So it's easy for me to like keep up with it because I like the way that it looks.